Hello everyone. So we'll teach you a very interesting snake today, that is Sancris contour trix. Wonderful remedy, and it's from the Viperidae family. It's the same family from which Lachesis and Crotalus belongs to the. And William Borig in his Materia Medica wrote a very interesting line about this Sancris, that he placed it between arsenic and Lachesis. The Sancris has the restlessness like arsenic and the aversion to tight clothing like Lachesis. So some of the major delusion that he is always feel victimized, and aggravation in the afternoon, that the major cause. He is pretty much suspicious, just like most of the snakes are. Fear of being raped, their dreams of being raped are pretty common, especially lots of spear of action, especially in the heart. Some of the major heart disorder could be tackled very well through this remedy, and so we'll learn more about it. So you can check out it. Basically a Ophnidia, it's basically a Reptilia serpent Viperidae family. Okay, so Sancris from the Viperidae family has a huge sphere of action in heart and circulatory system. The suspiciousness and fear are the major core theme of all the snake. Suspiciousness aggravate in the afternoon from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. So this we have to remember. It get aggravated especially between this time, the 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Especially the suspiciousness and lots of mental symptom triggers during this time. Sancris mental are excited from being victimized. So he always think the victimized. He always think he is a victim. He is an ailment from jealousy. Lots of jealousy you will find, just like his snake. Lots of jealousy. He feels neglected. He has a delusion. He has been sent to asylum and being possessed by devil. He has a constant delusion as if someone is behind him all the time. He has become a very deceitful and corrupt politician. So very deceitful type of person, very much jealous type of person who will keep the jealousy inside, and they can be sometimes very deceitful. Often has a great fear of death as soon as he fall asleep. So always have the fear of death. He predict the time of the death. William Borig in his Materia Medica put Sancris in between arsenic and Lachesis. Like arsenic like mental and physical restlessness, and like Lachesis aversion to tight clothing. So this is a core rubric of Sancris. I put delusion, imagination, victim, she is. You can check out. Sancris is the major remedy in complete repertory. In the newer complete repertory it is even. Jealousy ailment form, lots of jealousy ailment form. This could be another core of most of the patient. Only 16 remedies are there. Delusion, imagination, asylum she has been sent to. He thinks he is in the asylum. Pagalkhana is. Deceitful, sly, corrupt, vendor, politician. So it's the remedy of the corrupt politician. You can find out this remedy. Fear death of sleep, falling asleep on. This could be the remedy. Death persistent, predict time. So he used to predict the time of the death. Delusion, imagine people, someone behind him, something is. So they always think there is someone is behind him. That's the major delusion she has. Suspiciousness in the afternoon, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. That's the time where suspicions get aggravated. Enlarged sensation, heart as if would burst. There is sensation as if heart would burst. Think of Sancris along with Midorinum. Distended or swell to fill chest, heart where. So he thinks that his heart is swelled and completely distended. Think of Sancris. Fell into abdomen. Delusion the heart is fell into the abdomen. Hand abscess, black greyish. So the abscess color is black and grey. Sin of Sancris. Citricates, and if you can also assume it as a keloid where venous stub. Think of this remedy. Citricates. Sleep disturb, flight, fear aggravate, die she must. Think of Sancris as a remedy. Sleepiness, dark. Lots of sleepiness you will find in dark. Dreams, rape, seeing of. There is a dream of being raped, seeing of raped. Eyes swelling over. So there is swelling in the eyes. In Clark repertory. You can see vulva eruption of eruption in the vulva. Think of Sancris as a remedy. And one of the major core should be that ovaries have the noted sensation. They think their ovaries are completely noted. Think of this remedy, the Sancris. So this is all about our books. You can also have that. Do write down to me at nishan25smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.